What's going on, everybody? First I want to say thank y'all for being patient with me with the videos. Um as most of you know, I went to court the other day. I thought that was going to be like the final court hearing. We were going to be able to like get everything settled, get everything out, and I would get my son that day, but some things took place, and the judge, she wasn't happy, not with my side, but with the other party. So I didn't go straight to trial. Like, it wasn't just a trial situation. My last and final court date is March of next year. I would have loved for Monday to be, like the day. It's been 6 months already. So now I have to wait another 5 months to get this whole thing over with. Stressful, not even a word. The good thing I can say is the judge, she does know that this state is stuck in the past, but she does have knowledge about IVF. She's aware of it. She says she has to do more research on my case, but she is aware of IVF. She knows about IVF. So that part was like a breath of fresh air, because I'm finally dealing with and came across someone who knows something. So that was good. The other thing that was good, she does acknowledge the embryo parent as the parent. I've been saying this not to take away from the other person, but that's what I've been yelling this whole time. I am the parent. Like, I am the biological parent. I don't feel like anybody has more say-so or more rights than me because they're on a birth certificate. I am the parent. She did acknowledge that. I did get to see my son. I got to see my son Monday. Of course, I cried like a baby. I haven't seen my child in 6 months. So I got to see my child. I got to spend time with him. It is court ordered that I speak to my child whenever I call. If he says that he wants to talk to me, they have to call on this end. My thing is, I'm not waiting for him to, because in my mind, not to be negative, I feel like he can tell you that he's been saying he wants to talk to me, and I still haven't spoken to him. So I'm gonna call my kid every day up until I go back to court. I'm gonna call him every day. It's court ordered that I have to speak to my child. I get him on holidays. Holidays goes to the birth parent. So starting this Thanksgiving, I'll have him. So I get him on holidays. It's not what I want, but it's better than nothing. I'll take it for now, because I feel like the courts they see what's going on. So everything that they're giving me, I'm gonna take, because it's bigger than me. It's dealing with my son. He's all that matters to me. His well-being, his health, his safety, that's what matters to me. And if I get him for a week out of the month, or however 2 weeks out of the month, however it goes for holidays and everything else until I go back to court, I'm taking it. Because again, this is a person that's coming off of 6 months of not seeing or speaking to their child. So everything that was granted to me, I'm taking it. Yes, I would have liked to just go ahead and get into the case Monday when I went, because I did have to wait already for the court date. So it's like, now I have to wait an additional 5 months to wrap this whole thing up. But I'm grateful because I get to, I get to call him every day. I get to see him. That part I'm always going to be grateful for. I know that this is a process. It's a process. It's not a fair process, but it's a process to lease. I'm accepting that. So that's basically my update from court, really. I can't really get into too much because somehow the other party is trying to, I guess, use the videos that I'm posting, and they're assuming what I'm meaning in the videos, and I guess they're trying to put their own spin on it to make it seem like it's something else. But my thing is, I don't mind if the judge see the videos, because I'm straightforward in all my videos. You can't watch any video I ever posted and you're assuming what I mean, because I'm telling you what I mean in every video. I'm transparent in every video. You don't have to assume and put your spin on anything that I post or anything that I say, because I'm saying exactly what I mean. I'm saying exactly how I feel. If you assume she said this, but this is what she meant, that's on you, because that's not what I meant. I said what I meant. So I'm not going to go too much into detail on what happened in court. Let's just say I didn't leave feeling defeated like how I did the first time when I went to the state. I felt defeated the first day when I was there. I didn't leave feeling defeated. I actually felt like I'm ready for court. Like, I'm ready for trial. I'm ready for everything to happen. I have way more than enough evidence to present to back everything I'm saying, everything. So I can't say too much. It's not that I can't, I won't say too much at this moment. Again, my final court hearing is the beginning of March of next year. After I go to court, I'll be able to say everything that I've been telling you guys I can't say. That's kind of like, and it's really just, because I'm not really trying to make videos off of emotion, because it's about my son. So everything that I'm saying is really so, you know, nobody else can get in this predicament that I'm in. I want people to do the IVF process right. I want you to do your research. Not to say that I didn't do my research, because I did my research. I did more than enough research. I did so much research that I missed something. So I just want people to, I know most of us, we want kids, and some of us, we don't want to carry. I'm a person, I always wanted a kid, but I never wanted to carry, like, ever. When you do the IVF process, you have to make sure the person you do this process with, you're comfortable enough to do that process with that person. I was so eager on, I really want a kid, and then my age clock, I feel like I'm not getting any younger. I'm ticking in years. I'm getting up there. I don't want to be 50 with a 1-year-old. So I was thinking about everything, and I made the wrong person decision. And not the wrong decision, because my son is a blessing. I made the wrong person decision. Make sure you don't make the wrong person decision, because making that wrong choice, you could end up sitting here being me. You could be me. You could be fighting for your life, for your kid, while somebody else is playing games. I don't wish this on my worst enemy, and I don't even have enemies, but if I was to ever have one, I don't wish this on them. Think about it. Think about it. IVF is a blessing. It's a blessing. Picking that wrong person is a curse. Period. There's no way around it. It's no ifs, ands, or buts, or maybe it's a curse. IVF is a blessing. My son is a blessing. He's a blessing to me. That's my mom's first grandchild. He's a blessing to my family. He's a blessing. He was wanted. That person you do this IVF experience with could be a curse. That's what I'm going through now. I'm in the curse era. I'm fixing it, but look how long it's taking me to fix it. I'm 6 months without my kid. We're going to tack on another 5 months for my final court date. It'll be a year since I've been without my child. A year. When I sent my child with the other party when he was on spring break, my son was 3. My son is 4 now. I didn't get to talk to him on his birthday. I didn't get to tell him happy birthday. Keep in mind, this is my child. Flesh and blood. He needs something dealing with blood or transfusions or anything from a biological parent, they have to come to me. This is my child. So for a person and it's not their child to do this is crazy. Let's also keep in mind, everybody that have kids is not a parent. Thanks.